The tail on these are pretty weak, although I have to admit this is one of my first planes, so it had a bit of a rough go, although my Champ is still all in one piece and flying very well. Looking back, a lot of my takeoffs and landings are on some pretty rough asphalt, but again, my Champ was flown in the same conditions and is held together completely well. I really like this little plane, and it's easy to fly in a small area such as a cul-de-sac. I decided to put a new tail on it. I used the Gorilla brand of CA on all of the foam pieces as well as the plastic link pieces, and I've had very good luck with that with no damage to the foam. Apply small amounts only. Quality control seems to be lacking on the replacement rudder piece. It's important to make sure that little slot is open for the rudder piece to go into. It's almost impossible to get the old piece out, but you can open it up for the new one to go into. The new parts went on really nicely, and what I've been doing with this particular plane is hand launching whenever possible and dropping it down, installing it, and dropping it onto the grass.